I have a bike with a hub generator or dynamo, and I wanted to power a taillight with it. So I got the Busch Muller Secula Plus light shown here. And I got the kit and saw some different connectors in it. It takes obviously spade connectors, but I also saw these little plastic connectors in the kit, and I didn't know what they were, and I couldn't find out by browsing around on the web. So I finally figured it out, and I thought I'd show a video of the installation here. So here's the wires with the power coming back just under the seat post where the tail light's going to get mounted. And you see that I've stripped back the wire. But you just slide the wire through the hole in that little plastic fitting and then bend it over here. And then that plastic piece will end up sliding over the little tang inside the tail light, as you see here. And I think it actually provides a pretty good waterproof seal. A little bit of water can get in maybe around the hole, but pretty darn good way to seal it up. Okay, with the wires secured, I'm going to give the front wheel a spin. You start to see the light coming through. It's must be hitting the tripod for the camera, so you see it shake. But I'm going to call this success.